It's Dr. Dan Vanderwhite here, and today I want to discuss with you certain exercises or stretches that you can do with a foam roller to help reduce some lower back pain, even help with some sciatica. All right, so what you need is at least a 12-inch foam roller, 6 inches diameter, and we're going to do 4 major muscle groups with this. All right, so the first one you want to do, because we don't want to get into that lumbar spine in here, we don't want to foam roll this, we're going to work the muscles above and the muscles below. All right, so I'm gonna go through this. We're gonna start with thoracic spine, go right above the lumbar spine here. I like to put my hands behind my head, bring your elbows in, kind of get those scapulas out of the way, those shoulder blades, and roll back and forth. All right, you might get a couple pops and stuff in there. That's okay. Do it for 10 to 15 minutes. 15 seconds. Okay. After you do that, we're going to go to the quadratus lumborum. So these are these big muscles that are on the sides of both the lumbar spine. All right. So with this, we're going to lay on our side. We're going to lay on like a 45-degree angle. Put your elbow out, get on your feet, 45-degree, and you want to go from the top of the pelvis up to that rib cage. So it's not a lot of movement. Just go back and forth. All right. Again, 15, 20 seconds. Don't forget to do the other side. Turn around. Again, 10 to 15 seconds, 45-degree angle, getting that muscle in there. All right. So once you've got the quadratus lumborum, we got the thoracic spine, the lumbar muscles, and then we're going to do the hip flexors. Hip flexors are usually really tight on people. So we want to stretch those out, all right? They're pretty hard to stretch, so foam roller is really good for opening up those muscles in there. So with this, we're going to get one hip flexor at a time. We're going to put it on the edge of our foam roller. Again, put our hands out. You can put your feet out to support. Try to relax the muscles as you do this. Roll back and forth, all right? If you want to, you can get into the quads. You can go up a little bit further, but you want to go from the top of the pelvis right below that hip, all right? You can kind of, again, go at a 45-degree angle, go perpendicular. All right, again, make sure you do both sides. Right through here, get all the way up to that top of that pelvis. Again, if you want to, roll into that quad. All right, from there, we want to do the glutes. Usually people are really tight in the glutes or the piriformis. You can even have that tight piriformis muscle that's causing some of your sciatic issues. So for starters, just want to sit right in the middle of it. Put your hands back. You can roll back and forth. All right, this kind of gets equal pressure on both glutes, and you're rolling over that sacrum in there. Now, if you really want to get into the glutes and really hit that piriformis, what I like to do is get one butt cheek, get those glutes on that foam roller, and I try to put all my weight on it and then roll back and forth. All right. Again, 15, 20 seconds. I'm not asking you guys to foam roll for 30 minutes every single day. Take 2 minutes out of your day, do it morning time, evening time. If you can only do it one time, do it in the morning time when you wake up. All right. Or when you have time. Again, do the other side. All right. So those are a couple simple stretches to help with lower back pain, sciatica,